So today I have Mercedes-Benz eclass E230. So what is the problem? E230. So what is the problem? The selector is not engaging. So the selector is not engaging. That is, the gear is not engaging. Even when you start the car is on now. It's always on neutral to drive. You can see neutral, drive, but not going reverse, not going park, only neutral to drive. So now to get access to the selector, so this is the selector, the manual selector. So it has to open this save, the pigeonhole, the save here. Have to open this save, the hands rest. So this is the manual selector, and it's supported with 3 bolts. There is 2 bolts here, and there's also 1 bolt to side. Support with 3 bolts. So you can see if I raise this up, there is a cable. There is a cable downside. Not really a cable, just like a rod that engage from this selector to the gearbox. There is a rod like this that supports the gear to engage it supports the gear to engage to the manual selector. So position of the rod, there is rod here. So whenever I select it manually, the gear will engage. So this is Mercedes-Benz eclass 230 2007, from 2005 to 2008, same model. From 2011 up to 10 to 11 up, has an automatic gear that works with VGS and servo here. That's the gear, the 2010, 2011 have electric gear this side. And this computer here is for airbag. This computer is for airbag module. So now I'll be turning. Okay, this is the rod. You can see there is a rod inside there. I can view it properly well if I go downside. Okay, wait, let me go downside. You can see now it's on the reverse now because I shake this. You can see now it's on the neutral. You can view it proper. Let me go downside. Actually, the car is on. You can see this. That is the gear rod that engage the gear to any position that you want. You can see here, yes. From there comes to this place. That's it. So now to take out the selector, I have to, there is a key here. There is a key. So I have to open this key so I can be able to get access to the selector. Okay. And this particular model comes with 273 engine V6. 273 engine V6. Okay. Most of E-Class come with this engine. 2011 to 2010 also come with this engine. 273 V6. So now I'll be offing the camera so I can be able to remove the manual selector. And this is the process how I drive the car to my own workshop, to my own garage. So you can see this rod that I was referring to. I was speaking about this rod before. So now goes to the park, reverse, neutral, drive. You can see, and drive now. So here we move with one leg on the door. one leg on the dam, man. Be this street. Yeah, so this is the lock. That's the safety on the key. This lock goes to the key. Whenever I put this car on park, there will be something inside the manual selector. So you can see. So that thing that is inside the manual selector, we just apply a little force on this. We just push down small. As you push down small, it will now release the key for you. So if this thing is not push inside, the key cannot be released. You know, so many people, they drive Benz, they drive Mecedes, but they don't know what's inside Benz. They don't know what's inside Benz. The sun. Their own business, they just go enter car, put key, start on AC, Faji, enjoyment start. The sun. But there's a lot in Benz. Any Benz where you see here, no say this one. A lot wisdom, a lot knowledge there inside there. They just arrange it together and then give it one name, Benz. You can actually here. You can actually see the floor. This is the propeller that pushes the car to move, and it's actually connected from the back auxiliary to the gearbox. If I go front now, you can see it goes front. Reverse goes back. That is it. Now park. Sorry, park now. Can't go anywhere. Okay, and here are the selector, the manual selector. So now after fixing the manual selector, you can see it's working. See here, when I apply brake, so this is the solenoid that unlock the selector. Peace and love, man. Peace and love.